Hey everyone, want to impress your friends with some crazy science tricks? Today I'm showing you 5 mind-blowing experiments that you can try at home with simple materials. Let's go! Can metal float on water? Let's find out. Boom, it floats. This happens because of surface tension. Water molecules stick together, creating an invisible skin on the surface. Ever wanted to defy gravity? Watch this. Crazy, right? Air pressure is pushing up harder than gravity, pulling the water down, keeping the card in place. Can raisins dance? Let's see. The bubbles attach to the raisins, making them float. When the bubbles pop, the raisins sink again. It's a mini science dance party. Ever stabbed a balloon without popping it? Here's how. Surprising, right? The thick rubber stretches instead of bursting. Want to write secret messages? Try this. The acid in lemon juice oxidizes when heated, turning brown like magic. Which trick was your favorite? Try them at home and let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome science videos. See you next time.